10 करोड़ 10 करोड़
10 करोड़
10 करोड़
10 crore.
10 करोड़
I've decided to create for myself my 10 crores portfolio. आप भी कर सकते हैं, मगर कैसे? Let me give you an example. Supposing there's a 25-year-old person who has just started earning. That person needs to take out 15,000 rupees per month from their salary and needs to start investing every month. मगर कहाँ करना है ये investment? This investment per month needs to be done in a mutual fund portfolio or in a stock that is giving you at least 12% return year on year. Let me also tell you what is the amount that would be applicable to each and every one of you if you need to hit that 10 crore figure. If you are at the age of 30, this monthly amount is going to go up to 28,000 rupees. At the age of 35, this amount is going to go up to 52,000 rupees. At the age of 40, this amount is 1 lakh rupees per month. At the age of 45, this amount goes up to 2 lakh per month. At the age of 50, 4 lakh per month, and at the age of 55, 12 lakh rupees per month. तो भलाई इसी में है कि SIP तब शुरू करी जाए जब आपने अर्न करना शुरू करा हो। बाद में अगर स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये अमाउंट बढ़ता जाएगा। Why don't you tell us in the comment section what is the SIP amount that you started with and what was the age that you started at? If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot. Please do let us know in the comment section what other topics you want us to talk about. This is Shalini Gera and I will continue to see you on other relevant financial topics. You take care of yourself. Bye-bye.